Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making safety absolute. Turn off the main breaker and verify 0 voltage with a meter. Once done, identify the incoming feed, neutral, and earth conductors and label each one so you won't mix them up later. Make sure you have insulated screwdrivers, wire strippers, a crimper, and proper cable glands. These reduce stress on terminations. Now strip 6 10 mm of insulation, tin or ferrule the conductors where needed, and position the incoming feed for the first terminal connection. You now continue by routing the outgoing circuit cables, keeping high load and control wiring separated to prevent interference and heat buildup. Once routed, crimp ferrules on stranded conductors and tighten terminal screws to the manufacturer's torque spec so connections stay reliable under load. Install breakers and bus bars in logical sequence on the DIN rail, making sure to leave service loops for future maintenance. Also, secure cable glands and earth connections. Good strain relief prevents loose contacts and reduces fault risk down the road. You finish by doing a methodical set of tests: continuity, insulation resistance, and polarity checks to make sure every conductor goes where it should. Once those pass, energize the board in steps, feed minimal loads first, and monitor voltages, currents, and listen for abnormal sounds or hot spots with your hand clear. If a breaker trips or a fault appears, immediately isolate the affected circuit, de-energize, and recheck terminations and ferrules. If that fails, swap the suspected breaker or component and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.